How many of you think that you are less stressful than your parents when they were at your age? What changed? Internet has to be one of the greatest and the most revolutionary invention of the 20th century. Undeniably, it transformed the global economy, skyrocketed the global GDP, and made our lives more efficient. And for the average users, for everyday people, they promised us with more opportunities, a equal access to voice, for exposure, or a ease to connect with more resources that might be help to us. Yet, as we scroll more and more on our phones, we don't feel like we are being empowered by these media platforms. Instead, we see more and more YouTubers becoming millionaires, more and more celebrities becoming billionaires, and more tech companies going public. Yet, the stress on our shoulders are at an all-time high,
Now,
and
some
the
of you might hold
competition
skepticism
is as
for
fierce
what I just said.
as it can get.
Let me show you a graph.
The bottom bar chart shows the ideal wealth distribution of America. The middle bar chart shows what American believes the wealth distribution is. However, both of them could be further from the truth. Now, this is the actual distribution, which shows that the top 20% holds around 80% of the total wealth in America, whereas the bottom 40% barely holds any. But didn't they tell us that they were going to fix this issue instead of making it worse? That they're going to make people to have more opportunities and more access to resources rather than fixating them more to the wealthy? Why did this even happen?
To answer this question, we need to look at the basis of the internet platform, right? They're just a database working on a linear regression model, right? That sole purpose is to let you spend more money or spend more time through psychological programming. But it doesn't really solve the problem that you need to be solved as an individual, especially students that are looking for more opportunities, more internships, more networking, right? Yet, it seems more difficult than ever, right? Yet, you know that the opportunity, the person that you're looking for, the company that you're looking for is in the Bay Area, is in San Francisco, is in San Jose, but there's no way for you to connect with them. You know that value, stuff that values to you exist, but is being barred off from algorithm. Right? So what if we change the fundamentals of the internet landscape? Right? Where we divide the actual world through mirrors of different time and space. And you can send each of your thought, any of your thought, no matter if it's internship, socializing, looking for a girlfriend, or finding a networking event or not opportunity, or just finding a person to drink with you on the weekend, right? And send that thought to any location that you want, that you think is valuable to you. For example, I'm a student in finance. I wish to go in finance, but I don't know anyone that's currently working in the industry. What I can do is that I can send my thought. For example, I'm a student admin of a university that want to go into finance. Is there anyone that I can have a coffee chat with? Right? And where would you likely to send this information to? The financial district, where all the finance pros are at. Right? And you would ideally send it around, let's say, afternoon when they're the most free, having afternoon tea. When you send that, you can instantly connect with anyone that resonate with your thought at that point of location. And that's not all. Anyone has myriads of different demands at different times and different needs. My grandma can send this, can use this in his nursing home to find people that can play chess with her. My dad can use this to find more customers for his clinic. Right? Or let's say I want to find a girl at another school that has a similar hobby. I can send that as well. Effectively speaking, we can break the physical barrier or the communication barrier and allows your thought to directly connect with the real world. the vast ocean of the resources in the society is now in your hands.
Now scan the QR code and download the app.